This will be a video chart on ticker symbol SKTO. We will take a look at the daily time frame. Been a while since I've done this one, can't remember when, but all these lines you see here were from the previous times I've done it. So if you go back and look through the video archives, I'm sure you can see where all these came from. But I wanted to leave those up because a lot of the video will just be simply updating these levels that I've already been marked. But the first thing I want to talk about, and the reason I'm guessing I got so many requests on it today, was biggest volume it's had in a while, and then a pretty wild day, meaning price gap down all the way here. However, the open at 0.06 was also the low, so it didn't go any lower than what it opened, and then from there on out was just basically all bulls the rest of the day. It did still technically close red compared to where it closed yesterday, but in terms of where it opened today, it was a very big green day. So I hope that makes sense. But so from where it closed yesterday, technically bearish because it was red, but when you look at today's action, the candle, actually a very nice day relative to where it opened up. So first thing I want to do is just talk about this level here. This is a key level of support down here at 0.0205, and it was bad this morning that the price opened up below it, but you can see because the price came up and managed to close above it today, this level remains green. It is still a level of support. The next update that needs to be made is this previous level of support, now that the price is below it, is a level of resistance. So the first big resistance and kind of a good test of any sort of bounce is going to be how it reacts around the 0.03 area. So 3 cents will be a good measure of strength for the bounce. Is this just a one-day type thing, or is this going to keep on pushing upwards? The easiest way and best way to measure the strength of any sort of bounce is just to watch how it reacts around resistances. And given that 3 cents is a level of resistance, that'll be a key level to monitor, the strength if the price can get up there. This level here, I'm just going to get rid of that because while it is still a level of resistance, the other one, I don't want to make things too sloppy, to keep an eye on will be this purple line here. This was a key level of support. This is the 50-day simple moving average, and that level is currently valued at 0.036. So 0.03, 0.036 are going to be two of those key levels of resistance that you're going to want to keep an eye on. Then you have resistances up here, but one step at a time. Let's just first see if this is just kind of a one-day wonder, or if there's going to be some traction behind this and get some more upwards days. If it doesn't and it kind of just starts to peter out again, 0.0205 is going to be that level of support, and then after that one, next level of support would be down here at this yellow line, which is the 200-day simple moving average, and that's valued at 0.01. So that is where the chart currently stands. Again, very bullish day relative to where it opened. So it'll be interesting to see, if this can get some traction the rest of the week. If there are any other questions though on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to sign up for our newsletter up there. When you do that, as you'll see, you'll get a free ebook. And if you enjoyed the video and want to learn more about charting and how to use it in your strategy as a trader, I'd encourage you to click down below and look at our educational course, over 8.5 hours of education and teaching. It's been getting great third-party reviews, so I'd encourage you to make an investment into your education and check it out. One more time, this was SKTO. Thanks for listening.